You are going to love the 2014 Savana Cargo. The GMC Savana, all the cargo you can carry, a price you can afford, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, power brakes, power windows, power steering, tachometer, trip odometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.